Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to show you how to harness the power of machine learning to enhance your customer experience. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or just curious about the potential of ML, this step-by-step guide will help you get started. Step 1. Understanding your customers. The first key to improving the customer experience is knowing your audience. Collect and analyze customer data to gain insights into their preferences, behaviors, and needs. This will serve as the foundation for personalized interactions. Step 2. Choosing the right ML tools. There are numerous ML tools and platforms available, so it's crucial to select the one that aligns with your specific goals. Look for tools that offer predictive analytics, recommendation engines, and data visualization capabilities to maximize your customer insights. Step 3. Training your ML model. Once you have your data and tools in place, it's time to train your ML model. This involves feeding your system with labeled data, allowing it to learn patterns and make accurate predictions. The more data you provide, the better the results. Step 4. Implementing ML-powered solutions. Now that your ML model is trained, it's time to implement it into your customer experience strategy. From personalized product recommendations to targeted marketing campaigns, ML can optimize various touchpoints to deliver exceptional experiences. Step 5. Continuous learning and improvement. ML is an iterative process. Continuously monitor and evaluate the performance of your ML system, fine-tuning it based on new data and feedback. This will ensure its accuracy and relevance over time. Step 6. Ethical considerations. While ML offers immense potential, it's essential to prioritize ethics and privacy. Be transparent about data usage, obtain proper consent, and ensure compliance with regulations to maintain customer trust. By following these steps, you can leverage the power of machine learning to transform your customer experience. Remember, ML is a journey of ongoing improvement, so don't be afraid to experiment and adapt along the way. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Weburban, for more insightful content. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.